Understanding the 62 linear inch luggage rule.
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll be discussing a question that many travelers ponder. How strict are airlines with the 62 linear inch size limit for checked luggage? This rule is quite important, especially if you're planning a trip soon and need to pack a lot of stuff. Understanding how airlines enforce this rule can help you avoid unexpected baggage fees.
What is the 62 linear inch rule?
Before we dive into how strict airlines are, it's essential to understand what we mean by the 62 linear inch rule. This rule pertains to the total dimensions of your checked baggage, which is the sum of the bag's length, width, and height. So, if you add these three dimensions together and they exceed 62 inches, you might be subject to extra baggage fees.
How strict are airlines?
Now, the key question. How strict are airlines with this rule? Generally speaking, airlines can be quite strict with the size and weight limits for both checked and carry-on luggage. They have these limits in place due to space restrictions within the cargo hold and for safety reasons. However, the level of strictness can vary based on the airline. Some airlines may have a bit of leniency, especially if your bag is just slightly over the limit. But you should never bank on this leniency. It's always better to adhere to the airline's stated policies to avoid any unexpected and potentially hefty fees at check-in.
What happens if your luggage is oversized?
If your luggage exceeds the 62 linear inch limit, you'll typically be required to pay an additional fee, often referred to as an oversized baggage fee. The amount of this fee can vary significantly based on the airline, with some charging flat rates and others calculating the fee based on how much the bag exceeds the limit. Keep in mind that if your bag is significantly over the limit, the airline may even refuse to transport it as checked baggage. In such cases, you may need to ship your items separately or leave some behind. In conclusion, while some airlines may occasionally be lenient with slightly oversized bags, it's best to stick to the 62 linear inch rule to avoid any unexpected fees or travel complications. Always remember to check your airline's baggage policy ahead of your trip. This way, you can pack accordingly and ensure a smooth and stress-free journey. Happy travels!